How to fix error while loading to your YouTube. If something went wrong, tap to reply is constantly showing in YouTube whenever you are trying to load YouTube application. Then to solve it, this video is for you. For that, first of all, what you need to do is you have to launch your settings on your device. From here, tap on General. Then under the General, you will see iPhone storage option. Simply tap on it and search for YouTube application. From here, simply go to the YouTube application. There you will see two options. Among them, choose Offload app and do Offload app. Once you do Offload app, you have to reinstall your application again. Once you do that, go back to the settings homepage again and search for YouTube application. Once you found YouTube application, go through it. From here, make sure that your background app refresh is toggled off. Once you check that, you are good to go. In this way, you can easily solve error while loading YouTube application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.